Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from MacMedics again. I wanted to just give you a little AppleCare Plus success story. I just got this MacBook Pro 2019 16-inch back from Apple this morning, and I hope to return it to the customer today. Good news is the machine was totally backed up to Time Machine, and it was under AppleCare. So this machine just came back from Apple this morning, and I hope to return it to the customer today. Fortunately, this customer had AppleCare, and as you can see, Apple replaced just about every major part in the computer, including the logic board, the display, as well as the top case with the battery.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
The good news is this customer was all backed up. So when he suffered a liquid spill, he had no problem sending this device out for AppleCare service because his data was totally protected. The other good news is that he had AppleCare. So for $299, Apple basically replaced every major part on the computer. This was a total win. Data was backed up and protected, unit was under AppleCare, and Apple fixed it for $300. Keep your data backed up, and if you need assistance setting up Time Machine, this is a free service that I offer to the community. Just stop by. We'll be happy to help you get Time Machine configured so that you're always backed up.